Students, our next point is main oceans in the world. You know, there are 5 oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. Clear? We will study one by one. The first is Pacific Ocean. You know that the large water bodies on the earth's surface, generally separated by the continents, are called oceans. These are the continents, and these are the largest water bodies also. That's why known as oceans. And the first is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Clear? The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It covers about one third area of the earth. Pacific Ocean covers one third area of our earth. This is larger than all the continents put together. So it is the deepest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean. The features of the Pacific Ocean is it is the largest ocean, it is the deepest ocean, and covers one third area of the earth. So it also connects within this ocean the continents of North and South America, extended on one side of the Pacific Ocean, and Asia and Australia stretch on the other side. It means the Pacific Ocean connects the North and South America on one side, Asia and Australia on the other side through the Pacific Ocean. Got it? Pacific Ocean. The second is Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean and is situated between the North and South America on one side and Europe and Africa on the other side. Clear? It is the second largest ocean in the world. It connects North and South America on one side and Europe and Africa on other side. Pacific Ocean connects Asia and Australia, and Atlantic Ocean connects Europe and Africa. Clear? So it is the busiest ocean in the world. Due to irregular shape, the coastal lines of Atlantic Ocean is longer than the coastal lines of the Pacific and the Indian Ocean put together. So, the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean of the world from the point of view of commerce and trade. It is mainly used for trade and commerce. It means for economic purposes. The next is Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is bounded by land masses on three sides. Okay, it covers with three sides. Asia forms its northern boundary, while Africa stretches on the western side and Australia is situated on the eastern side of the ocean. It means it connects the Asia, Africa and Australia on the three sides. And Indian Ocean is only ocean named the name of the country. The name of our country is India and the ocean name is Indian Ocean. So it is the only ocean of the world named after the name of a country, India. The fact that the Indian Ocean is named after India shows the importance of our country in the field of trade in the ancient time. Means in the past time, Indian Ocean is used for commerce and trade. That's why the name of the ocean is Indian Ocean. The next ocean is Arctic Ocean. The fourth ocean is Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean lies within the Arctic Circle and the North Poles lies at the same center of this ocean. It connects the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. It is the smallest ocean of the world. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Bering Strait, a narrow stretch of water connects the Arctic Ocean within the Pacific Ocean and northern coastal line of the North America and Eurasia from the southern boundaries of the ocean. It connects the boundaries. Last one is the Antarctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean is also known as the Southern Ocean. It surrounds Antarctica and occupies about 4% of the surface area of the earth. Pacific Ocean covers one third part of the earth and the Antarctic Ocean about 4% of the surface area of our earth. Large ice sheets cover this ocean for the most part of the year. It means covered with the ice caps almost throughout the year. Several sheet like adjacent to this ocean. For instance, the Scotia Sea, Amberdason Seas, and Ross Sea are the main seas that connects with the Antarctic Ocean.